Nissan Versa Note 2014 to 2019. To remove the speaker, you first need to remove the door panel. To do this, unscrew one bolt in the armrest, then pull out the armrest and disconnect the connectors. Next, unscrew the second bolt located under the armrest. Use a tool to pry the door panel from the bottom to release the clips. Finally, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the speaker and disconnect the electrical connector.